As a professor of political science, I work at the intersection of climate change and energy politics. Through my research, I aim to help the public understand the climate crisis and its solutions, as well as the history of climate denial and delay. I delve into the many ways that the fossil fuel industry and related interest groups have controlled the politics of clean energy. Here's just one example. In 1990, Congress passed legislation that amended the Clean Air Act to include limits on mercury, a deadly toxin. The utilities, however, tied up these new rules in legal battles, and so the final policy wasn't implemented until decades later in 2011. I've even written a book called Short-Circuiting Policy that examines how utilities have attacked clean energy laws. It looks at 4 states, Arizona, Kansas, Ohio, and Texas, and looks at how these interest groups have successfully rolled back or stalled clean energy progress. This is terrible because we know that we have to turn to clean energy to deal with our public health problems and the climate crisis. If we want to tackle the climate crisis, we got to do one main thing, and that's stop burning fossil fuels. And how do we do that? Well, we got to get the politics, the policy, and the institutions right. And that is my research in 60 seconds.